The famous chili recipe originated in Texas with a Mexican touch. It's surely the cold buster. So stir fry Brussels sprout, carrots, onion on medium to low flame. Add on some broccoli, mushrooms, and continue the stir fry. Add 2 parts of garlic, 2 or 3 chilies, preferably Thai chili, and then add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of cashmere chili, 1 espresso spoon of oregano, all spices, and add 1 can of crushed tomatoes, preferably the non-salted one, and give it in a stir. Then add 1 cup of water and add your mincemeat or soya granulated if you are a vegetarian. At last, add your red kidney beans with salt, stir it and let it cook on low to medium flame. There you go, you have your chili. Serve with sourdough bread. It's yummy in tummy. And enjoy